Have a good day too, guys. Look here. Today the bot made some trades on different volatility indexes. Jump is slap index, VIX 25, jump 75. And look here, made awesome profit today, $75. Now let's withdraw this profit. Okay, let me start the withdraw. So now we are on withdraw page. I just made the transfer in my USD account, and now let's click on withdraw. Okay, they told me go and check your email. So now I'm going to check my email. Here is I got the email. Now let's click on email. And let's withdraw our profit of today. It's $75. I will use Skrill. They have my email. Now let's click on request payout. And now it's done. Now here is our payout request. Soon they will send our withdraw. Thank you guys. Have a great day.